Back to the Woohoo Homestead Shop and Unbox channel. So this is a mirror that I bought for my bathroom, and it's a shatterproof mirror. It was shipped locally. I bought it on Temu, but it was shipped locally, and let me see, the packaging was superb. Okay, so this is the back. That's the back, and it's black. Can you get the foam for me, please? Take off the foam for me. Just lift it off. Like I said, the packaging was superb to ensure that it didn't crack. I did pull it out when I received the package from my courier, just to ensure that it was intact. Like I said, the product description says it's shatterproof. I got it for $12. I think I had to pay shipping though, $2.99 for shipping, but it's not $12 anymore. And this was a steal, but I did have to pay to clear it, to ship it to me. But it's fully worth it, and it goes with the vibe of my bathroom. Black accents and a bohemian theme. But anyway, that's it. It's super heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.